Cheyenne's digging her booty.
Okay, watch me. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna do it again.
You gonna fall again?
My dad. Superman, Catwoman.
Oh!
You're bad. Oh my head.
Why did you do that? Here, get up. Get up, Cheyenne. You're gonna get us in trouble. We're not gonna be allowed out here. Come on, get up.
I'm disowning you as a child. So why is a child
His friends out here.
I fell. I can't help it.
You dived into the ground. What are you talking about?
I fell. I'm so sorry.
Let me clean it.
Okay, I'm not falling no more. Talk now. I am disowning both of you. She's disowning my husband and my daughter. I don't care.
Gosh.
I mean, my wife and my daughter. Looks like just making a butt.
Woo!
I can always find another wife. Big butt. And I can always make another daughter.
Not with me, Missy. No, you can't.
I'm not Missy. I'm the father. I'm a dude.
Not with you. Not with me, man. No.
I don't care, woman. Go to your job. Go clean the...
I cleaned your child. Your turn. Take over. Clean the child.
I'm tired of cleaning her up.
I clean her every single day. Every single second she falls. I clean it. She's 14 years old. We're domestic violence here. Let us be. You take care of your child. No, you get out. No. We're arguing about whose child it is.
It's my child. I filed DSS papers. I get her.
You can have her since you don't take care of her. I do all the work, but you can have her.
I put bacon on the table.
Liar! I'm the one that works. You sit at home and drink beer all day.
She's over 200 pounds.
Young ma'am, I feed this child. I feed you. I buy your food. What are you talking about?
I feed her. I put the bacon on the table. I bring it from the store.
No,
you buy the beer.
I give the money to buy it. Go to your room.
No, not you.
Take your sister with her and beat you.
Hey, your mommy's abusing your daddy.
Oh, you're my daddy? I thought you were my mommy.
Take your
I'm your
child.
dad.
Take this child. She's not mine. Get her with.
I don't know who she is. She's just a
Your child, not mine. She came from your sperm.
She's just... I can't help it. I'm just such a bad whore like my brother. I can't help it. Inheritary.
Hereditary. Bad woman. I want a divorce, mister.
I don't care.
I'm so hyper.
I'm divorcing your father. I'm divorcing your father.
I'm not separating. We need to keep Cheyenne. Keep us
Wait.
When she's 18, we're getting a divorce.
I don't care.
Let me push you.
It takes nothing with you.
Yeah, I got like 5 years, man.
Are you even our kid? Who is it? Is this your friend that keeps showing up? Because she's not mine. She's not his.
I think it is.
Who are you?
I'm her daughter.
Hey, what?
You had a kid?
No, she had me. She was your disowned.
Your daughter has a kid.
One blonde hair like you, she's nowhere near mine.
She ain't mine. Pregnant, except for that. Look at it. I hate you.
Look, I'm Shania.
Go back to the stripping club.
I'm Shania. I don't even know who you are. What's your name, strange child? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm Shania. Let's go.
Why are you at my house? Get out of my house.
Oh, she older than me.
Shut up, child.
Send this thing away.
Goodbye.
We'll buy you a
Go away.
I don't want to see your way. We'll buy you a playmate. Okay, we'll buy you a glove doll. I can't for that one.
I got Superman. What are you talking about?
You hear what I told your daughter? I told her we were going to
I
buy her a
just found
glove
her a
doll.
new husband.
I'm going to buy her a glove doll, though. She doesn't have to order that thing.
I found
That looks
her
like
husband.
Rudolph.
I found Cheyenne her husband. See, I am already getting our child ready for the future.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get away from me! Ow! You're cold! Ow! Quit! Quit! Seriously!
You're a disgrace to the
Oh yeah! I'm Shania! Look at me. Yeah.
You disgrace our family, woman.
You're a disgrace. I did not money.
Your hair color. Sage, your hair color.
Drinking all.
Sage, your hair color. That child's nowhere near mine.
She ain't my kid.
Yeah.
I'm a big city kid. What are you talking about?
We need to stop fighting. We're affecting
Do you?
Cheyenne.
Get off of my property.
Get off of my lawn, you young whippersnappers.
What? What?
Get your playmate out of here.
What?
That child has a weird shirt on.
This is your
Mama,
child?
that's not my child.
Yeah, that's what you put in here.
I'm working.
I'm doing what? Testing the swing. What are you doing? Testing the swing?
Yes.
Well, you're fired. You're going to call me and you're fired.
I don't care. You're not my boss, woman.